We have to beware of success. Kasi ang success, kahit napakaganda yan, it can be dangerous. Sabihin sa katabi, success can be dangerous. Why? Because success can steal your discernment. Pwede, you get drunk on the results, parang dyan ka na lang. Parang you will just be lulled to sleep on the seemingly sweet success status that you're in already. You know, I've seen this happen in my life. And early on, as a young man, I was reminded by my classmates in high school because they were looking at me and I was becoming complacent. And there was a time when one of the student teachers asked us to write messages for each one. Isa sa mga dumating sa akin, sa isa sa mga klase ko, sabi niya doon, ano ka pang pwedeng gawin? Because the good is the enemy of the best. And at first, hindi ko mag-gets yun. But later on, I realized, oh nga, ito nga pala yun. That sometimes success can be the enemy of something better. Success can make you settle. And when you settle on where you are already, you stop listening. Yung parang nawawala na yung next. Yung hunger to do more because you're meant for more. Amen? Kaya tutuyo sa amin nila, the best is yet to come. Yes?